All right, guys, we are about to head to the Rappahannock River. We have literally gotten so much rain. Yesterday, it was literally raining since the time I woke up to the time I went to sleep, raining all day and night, and it finally stopped, cleared up a little bit, a little sunny, so we're gonna go out and go on a little adventure. So we have the drone charging up right here, as you guys can see. I'm pretty excited for today's little adventure. I haven't flown in a while, so I'm gonna be a little rusty. But yeah, we'll see how it goes, guys. It should be a fun little adventure. So let me gear up, let me get the drone ready, get all the batteries in the bag, and I'll see you guys at the river. Gotta go that way. All right, we made it to Old Mill Park. We are here, we got the drone right here, of course. Check it out. It's honestly insane out here, guys. I've never seen it like this. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this bad boy in the air and just get a little aerial footage. I was out here actually this morning. I'll put some pics on the screen now in videos. And the area over there, that little pavilion, it was not covered. And now it's covered, so I can't go over there. That's kind of where I wanted to set up shop. But we're kind of like right on the outskirts of where the trail is off to my right. Anywho, we're gonna go ahead and set up. I'm not gonna go too far because I don't wanna lose reception over there. I'm just gonna do some in and out through like the parking lot area. Let's set up. Here we go. Now, the last spot I was at, the river, it was super windy. It's super freaking windy out here, guys. So I hope I don't lose this damn drone. Now, luckily, you know, we're flying FPV and these little suckers have a lot of power, so it wasn't too much of an issue. But it was probably the windiest conditions I've ever flown in. And then I haven't flown in a while. So added that to the mix, that was fun. But fingers crossed, we got the drone. We're gonna get the drone tonight. We got 2 more packs. Let's go ahead and send this bad boy in the air. Here we go. Guys, it's freaking, I gotta put some old footage of what it looked like before all of this freaking rain. Wow. Check it out. Not really talking much because it's just so crazy. But like all of this land, where all of this water is, like this tree line right here, right there where I'm pointing. I know it's kind of weird. But all this is just grass. I used to fly here all the time. You could walk. People would play soccer on these fields. This is just a big field right here where that flag is. And all covered in water, guys. Absolutely immense. This is crazy. Got a little battery left, not much. we're gonna come in for a landing because it is about that time. I'm not pushing my luck with this freaking rain. All right, I think the dry area. Hopefully it's like right here. Cool. That'll do it. All right, so we just went ahead and flew. That was fun. Got some pretty cool footage. I did not test my luck with going all the way down there. I don't wanna lose my quad. It's my little baby right here. But I do wanna get just more aerial footage and then do like a shot where I come in and dive. I think that'll be pretty sick. Let's go ahead and put a new battery in and get to flying. All right guys, we're about to take off. Let me know what you guys think about the colors on this video. I'm working with this camera that I'm recording on is using S-Log. I'm shooting in S-Log. And then I just changed the picture profile for the GoPro, both GoPros actually. So those are recording in flat, and then I'm gonna apply a custom LUT to those. Anywho, let's go ahead and take off what you guys came here to see. All right, here we go. All right, so like I said, I wanna go check out this building. This is madness. Check it out, guys. This isn't supposed to be underwater like this. Ah, I see why they put the AC box on the top. This isn't the first time that's happened. My hands are too fucking cold. Shit. We're gonna come in for the landing. Anywho, so hopefully you guys liked that video. We just got the drone back. Went through 4 packs today, flying over all water. It was kind of sketchy, super windy in the last location, and then here is little room for error. So we're good. I'm done flying for today. I'm not gonna test my luck anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and pack up, and I got a lot of editing to do. Edit these pictures, edit the videos. So if you guys wanna see the actual pictures that I took today, go check out my Instagram page, Jordan Miller FPV. I'll go ahead and upload those tonight. And yeah, it's been a fun day, I must admit. It's been a really fun day. Getting some crazy footage of all of this madness going on. But anywho, I'm gonna go pack up. It's been awesome flying with you guys. And until the next video, I will see you. Peace.